mao na akong gusto paliton guys or dili. Guys, today I am leaving. I am flying today to Philippines for 3 weeks alone. My husband will not come with me because he does not have holiday, only me. See you, my family, soon. Tomorrow, Saturday, in the evening or in the night, I come home there, or my arrival there in Davao at 9 o'clock. So that's it. Kamusta man ito yan?
I have to work.
For money familiar. So why you will not come to me?
I must work. I must earn the money so that you can fly to Philippines. and regards to all the family, especially to the nephews, nieces, also to your brother and sister.
Okay, that's good. So I'm sure they will miss you there. No, always asking where is daddy? Why not coming with you, mommy? Okay, na? We will chat soon, na?
Yeah, I hope it will all function.
Yeah,
and if not, you still have the telephone number.
Yeah, okay, na? Okay, we will now leave. Outside
Outside is raining.
Raining, heavy rain.
Yeah.
So no problem. We have a car. So guys, so today is also I am 1 year since I start from my work. Yippee! That's why I am allowed to have holidays. I deserve this. And Shatsi, no
holiday.
Yeah, thank you Shatsuna for giving me this holiday. I cannot also pay here alone when I have my holiday to Philippines, you know already. So we are now coming closer to the airport. That's also my husband is driving Rectong Oxensol. So we are now here at the airport, looking now for a park. Hamburg Airport. We need to go Terminal 1.
Ich weiß das nicht, welches Terminal wir müssen. Das müssen wir dann drinnen sehen.
Ich glaube, das sind Terminals Y. Kasi kuko.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Live Arctic here. Thank you for this flight. We are now standing here for check-in. Qatar Airways. Yeah?
One eternity later.
Nindot na po ang hilingkuran ka doon sa toilet. Have a safe flight to me.
Make sure you push it back.
I'm flying Qatar Airways.
Yeah, because my
Tanawa guys, oh, mga gold. Oh, mao na akong gusto paliton guys, or dili. Wala jud. First time ako diri sa Qatar. Solo flight. Saan man eh guys, magsige na lang hanggang tingin na lang ko ane. For my eyes only. Bawal shopping. I miss you here, Shatsi. Next time, we will travel together, okay? The same airlines, Qatar Airways. So I have to wait here 4 hours. From Hamburg to Qatar, 5 hours. And then 4 hours stop. The next is to Philippines, to Davao. 14 hours to Davao. Qatar to Davao. The time now here in Doha, Qatar is 23:35. That is 11:35. Tanawon sana ako sa monitor kung butang na ba ang ako ang next flight. "25 years of Qatar duty free." Nailahan ko under celebration sa C20s 25 years sa Qatar. Look at the chairs here. It's unique. Cebu.
Fucked up.
Ang airplane. Philippine time 6:36 in the evening. kami sa Davao.
In order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. We thank you for your cooperation. May you all have a wonderful evening.
2,000 years later.
Sa wakas pa.
Hi ma'am, remove your hat. Thank you.
Nakalat ng Gabmini sa Davao. Karon namin, na ako'y surprise karon. Kung ma-surprise sila. Uy, yan sila si Manang, wala makibalo nga maghulat ko sila karon. Moabot sila mga alauna gikan sa Luxembourg. So medyo nauna ko dire karon og abot kay lahi man ako ang origin of nga lugar akong gikanan. So thank you Lord for a safe flight. Qatar Airways na ang kauban nga pasahero speaking gikan sa England, no? Speaking dollars, no? From England. Ang pangutanag naa ba sila diha? Okay, okay. Ikabit-bita pa na. Kaya ito magbit. Dong, kinsa da ka? Nag-abroad ka, Dong? Nag-abroad ka, Dong? Asa naman to sila? Dong? Ganihara mo?
Tawag lang mami, bago lang.
Kasi nanguban.
Si Angelisha, ako,
Kita pa?
si Ate Emil.
Kita
Kahit
pa?
Papa, mo lang.
Mara? Sa ilong ato? Ilong ato?
Wala na yung ba sa baba to, wala ko babalo.
Dati.
Wala maging sa ano.
Okay. Sige, Dong. Una, Dong. Kaya para. Okay, Dong. Oh, tanawa, oh. Special kayong mag-uwanan ko, oh. Asa mas daw di uwi? Pangutang.
Asa si...
Woman.
Where is Daddy? Why you don't hear?
He's asking where is Daddy Owe? Daddy Owe. Live sa house eh. Tara. Hala. Kinsa man na. Hala. Kinsa man eh. Hala. Ako mga kasista. Hala. Hala.
Asa naman nagparking?
Hala. Okay. Karon ba? Karon na ako'y plano. Diba, surprise ato si Manang o si Doc Ram. Dong,
yes.
Surprise. Awa man sila kay Balo nga. Mo hulat ko dire. Kaya ang ilang nahibalaan nga naguna ra ko. So kinan ako si Mayok ay mugsaba nga magpaabot ko mutago ka taga.
Oh, mao.
Kamo na magpakita. Basta kita no ma-surprise ate. Unsa ka? Dong, sa yung pagtudong. Kasama ma-surprise ako o sila?
Pero sila ma-surprise kay kadlaw. Tingala to sila kadlaw. Napata dire.
Nagmata. Okay. Oh, kinsa na? Oh my God! Kinsa na?
Sana.
Oh my God.
Tara, tara.
Goodness. Kinsa mami, ako ning magulang? Kato, kami ang gudinyo.
Katuhod na lang.
Kinsa man ay akong manghod.
Tara, tara.
Magulang po eh.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Atlet.
Taga-asa ka gikandong? Taga-asa ka nga lugar? Asa ka nga country?
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas, di ba? Taga-Thailand ka? Indonesian? Vietnam? Naunsa mo sa gipakaon ni mo doon? Pwede interviewon ta ka? Unsa gikaon ni mo? Margarine? Or kanang harina? Or unsa pa?
Gulay lang, gulay.
Sure ka?
Lagi may gulay.
Okay. Kani, Day, kumusta naman ka, Day?
Okay ra.
Nami-miss na kita. Na-surprise ka? Wala?
Surprise, oy kay wa man ko kibalog ang
Daan pala. Ikaw din na-surprise. Kani, wala? Na-surprise? Wala.
Wana kanang
Naabisuhan na before. Kani po, naabisuhan na. Kani naabisuhan na ni. Okay. Pero,
Hey, Daddy, where are you?
okay.
Hi, Ubi, where are you? Why did not come to Telosi? Hello, Ubi.
We miss you.
We miss you here in Philippines. Hello, Ubi. Why are you
Not coming, not
why are you coming here?
With Lucy.
We miss you.
here.
We miss you here in Philippines.
Okay. Hi, Ram. Oh, manay katawa na mo rin.
Nakauli na dyan sa Japan.
Nakauli na gyud sa Japan to uy. Ag-ahua man na ining.
Kaso magiging nag-abroad. Ako may na-surprise. Unsa man na? Unsa man na nag-abroad nga?
Malay mong giatnan nga
Unsa man na nag-abroad nga?
Dito ka ito.
Diri ang isa dong. Diri sa ikuan.
Ay, nagdana mo kuan. Unsa man na? Kamote. Tanon. Sudan. Kumo dai. Kumo na mi.